All right, here we got these triple rails. We've got the outside all tightened up. We're gonna do the inside. This is gonna show some of the beauty of this cam lock tool. As we get in here, we don't wanna be getting in and out, in and out. So we're gonna tighten up this bottom one first. It's easy to get, but since everything with triple rails is hard, let's just use the cam lock, get it done a little bit faster. Get us back on the road. We're gonna stick it in there. We're gonna flip the wrench. We're gonna have it to where we can do this easy and quick. There we go. We're not having to torque our body around. We're not having to do silly stuff. We're gonna just put the wrench however we like it. On this one, we're gonna do the same thing. Again, because sometimes your chains get twisted, we're gonna have to switch that direction. Tighten it back up. There we go. Okay, our next one is up here. Again, I don't want to have to be torquing my body around. We're gonna let the wrench do all of it. You can't do this with a normal cam tightening tool. I was able to stay in one position. I was able to use the wrench. I wasn't just given 180 degrees and having to reach and bang my head against the trailer or bang my arms against everything. I was able to reposition the wrench each time. Let's go to the other side.